What are the reservoir fluids? Reservoir fluids refers to those fluid mixture which are present within the petroleum reservoir. Reservoir fluids refers to those fluids mixture which are present or which is contained within the petroleum reservoir. पेट्रोलियम रिजर्वायर में जो भी फ्लूइड्स होते हैं, जो भी मिक्सचर होता है फ्लूइड्स का, उन तमाम को फिर हम रिजर्वायर फ्लूइड्स बोलते हैं. They normally include three broad categories. One is liquid hydrocarbon. Reservoir fluids की three common categories है. One is liquid hydrocarbon, that is called as crude oil. Another is aqueous solution with a dissolved salt, means water और salt का जो solution होता है. Third is hydrocarbon and non-hydrocarbon gases such as methane and hydrogen sulfide. These are the categories, or these are the types of fluids present within the reservoir rock or petroleum reservoir.